Welcome to HydroSim 3.2, the Spanish catchment hydrological simulation model. This model allows users to simulate runoff and soil moisture deficit of the Spanish catchment and the various land use and climate change scenarios. Here we have the model user interface. Here users can change land use within the catchment. By using these buttons here, we can increase and decrease each individual land use. However, please ensure total land use area percentage equals 100% before running the model. We also have various scenarios preset in the model in this drop down menu here. Climate change can be altered using these buttons here to both increase and decrease either rainfall and potential evaporation. Initial soil moisture can also be altered using these buttons here. These can be used to model antecedent conditions in the catchment. When the user is happy with their selection, please press Run Model. Here the sign is telling you that the model has been updated. To reset the model, press Reset. You will be asked to confirm. Now the model interface, output, data and graphs have all been reset back to their existing land use and climate change conditions. Outputs from the model simulation can be found here under graphs. Here we have a graph of catchment runoff and soil moisture deficit, catchment runoff versus observed discharge, and catchment average rainfall and potential evaporation. The user can also access the input data for the model, which is rainfall and potential evaporation recorded at the three subcatchments within the catchment. Output data is where all the data the model calculates is stored and can be extracted by the user. A series of maps for the Spanish catchment have been produced using ArcGIS. Press Maps to view them. Here is the map for the existing land use. It is accompanied by other maps which correspond to the land use scenarios which the user can select on the interface. There is also histograms which also correspond to the preset land use scenarios. We can go back to the maps and close it here. For additional help and extra explanation of the Spanish catchment, please go to the help file here. Thank you for using HydroSim 3.2.